Hello, everyone, and thank you for joining today's webinar. My name is Ale Murillo, and today I'll be guiding you through the powerful and flexible Grandstream UCM solutions and the most exciting features about UCM Remote Connect. Whether you are a reseller, system integrator, IT administrator, or you're just exploring unified communication solution, you are in the right place. The UCM series is a Grandstream flagship IPPBX platform designed to offer a complete on-premise unified communicating solution. We have 8 on-premise models of PBX that supports from 200 and up to 3,000 users, including features like voice, video, chat, conferencing, mobility, and data tools, all in one box with no additional license fees. What makes it special attractive is the built-in security. It can be worked with zip endpoints and seamless integration with third-party platforms. We are going to talk about this series right now, but I wanted to take the time to show you that we also have Cloud UCM, Software UCM. It's the same software that we use in this on-premise PBX. We can also buy it from plans with that starts with 10 and ended up with 200 users. This is completely cloud, managed by Grandstream, hosted by Grandstream, I'm sorry. Then you can have this same software, so you can install it in your server, and that's the software UCM. That starts in 50 and set up 5,000 users. And finally, we have GCC series. This is all-in-one UCM networking hardware device. We have 3 models. This is a PBX, and it's also a firewall. This model right here that is shown can do or supports access point for 500 devices, okay? And it can manage PBX starting from 12 users. Okay, now let's go deeper into what makes the UCM stand up. It's built-in video conference and meetings, okay? It's integrated web meetings and screen sharing, multi-site deployments with direct peer-peering supports for zip trunking, analog gateways, and remote phones. Supports web app, which is shown in this screen. Grandstream uses softphone for mobile and desktop. The systems are ideal for business of all sizes, from small business to large enterprise who want to maintain local control and ownership of their own communication infrastructure. Okay, let's now explore a game-changing tool that makes the UCM63 to the next level, which is UCM Remote Connect. UCM Remote Connect, it's a cloud-based net transversal service that allows remote users to securely connect to the UCM system from anywhere, with no complicated firewall configuration needed. With Remote Connect, you get zero-touch net firewall transversal, secure access for web app, okay? Remote IP phones, and even administrators. This is hosted by Grandstream Cloud too, okay? This Remote Connect is for UPBX. Okay, you have your PBX on premise in your office, and you can buy these remote connect plans. We're gonna show them right now, so you can have people outside your office working, and the calls that these people is gonna be doing are gonna be hosted by Grandstream Cloud, and you can choose from different remote connect plans tiers depending on your number of remote users. Once you have these remote connect plans, you're also gonna be able to integrate with other Teams, Outlook, Salesforce, and others, okay? We don't charge for the integration, okay? We have the remote plan, and that's for having you remote users connected to your IPPBX. And this also allows to integrate with these platforms that we're looking at the screen. But of course, by the Microsoft sides, it will require a license, of course, and then others. Okay. Good. Let's look at the field real-life deployment scenarios, which is hybrid workplace, employees using web app or desktop softphones to call, chat, or join meeting remotely with zero VPN setup. Okay. We have a multi-branch companies, UCM. In UCMs in each location can connect via peering, and remote employees staying connected using Remote Connect. For resellers, for example, remotely access client system for maintaining some provisioning without having to be on site. This is especially useful for hospitality, education, healthcare, logistics verticals, where and so on. Okay, give me a second. Okay, let's now take a closer look at what makes the UCM series such a competitive solution. It's easy to deploy. The UCM63 comes preloaded with Power UC features. There's no need for external license or third-party application. Grandstream integrates advanced encryption protocols and built-in NAT firewall, perfect for today's remote and hybrid environments. The UCM is fully compatible with SIP endpoints, IP phones, door systems, intercoms, and third-party CRMs or platforms via API. Okay. And well, from small business to large scale business, the system works with your needs, whether you are hosting 10 calls or 3,000 users. Okay, so in this slide, we can see the UCM series models broken down by hardware capabilities and supports users. As you can see, the models range from UCM 6301 to 08, okay? Offering more concurrent calls, more storage, more SIP accounts, and extensions. This allows you to choose the idle model based on your user size, call volume, and future requirements, okay? From 500 up to 3,000. We can see the concurrence calls, how many rooms of video, okay? Because remember, UCM 6300, without the A at the end, it supports video conference, kind of what we're doing right now with Teams, right? But hosted by this PBX. And you can have 12 parties in 2 rooms, 20 parties in 3, 40 out in 4, and 60 parties in 8 rooms. This is completely for free. If you don't need it, you just don't use it. Simple as that. Okay. We also gonna have analog ports. Okay, which is, if you see, it's the same number as the last number of the PBX name. It's the same amount of analog ports. This sometimes helps you when you're recommending a product for your client. Then we have the audio series, perfect for business that don't require video conference features, but still want a robust audio PBX. These models focus on audio conference, voice routing, and basic UC tools. Actually, it does everything that the UCM6300 series does, but the only difference is the video conference. It's the same. You can see. I still have the analog. Okay, right here it doesn't show. Oh no, yes, it's right here. I'm sorry. I didn't see it before. And give me a second, because I see somebody's trying to get in here, but it can't. Okay. Yes, perfect. Sorry. So like I was saying, these two PBX or series are the same. The only difference is this one allows video conference, and this one right here, it's only audio conference, okay? Okay, and of course that SIP users are small in this one, okay? Then this one right here, this is a start off at 500, and this right here is 200 and up to 1,500 users, okay? And finally, let's talk about Wave. The Wave app is Grandstream's softphone and used client for mobile and desktop. With Wave users, you can make and receive calls, host video meetings, chat with colleagues, view voicemails, call history, and presence info. It connects directly to the UCM63 or AGCC systems and works seamless with UCM Remote Connect, okay? Providing a secure and flexible communication experience from anywhere in the world. Wave app is for free, okay? You can go to Android and download it. This is completely for free, and it's a desktop. You can see the interface right here, how it looks in the laptop and in the cell phone. What it really costs is having the remote connect. Like you're gonna still use, right, this way, but with remote connect, you will have the opportunity to have remote users. That's the thing that I wanna clarify, okay? UCM Remote Connect plans, they can fit different business needs. It's offered a cloud service subscription, and the plans vary based on the number of remote users, web app connections, and admin access requirements, okay? Every plan includes secure net firewall transversal, encrypted tunnels for web app, IP phones, and SIP devices, remote access for administration via GDMS. GDMS, it's the platform cloud that we use to manage all the Grandstream IP phones. Okay. I don't know if you can see it. I hope you do. If not, please let me know. I can try to show you a different platform. But well, these are the plans. As soon as you get UCM, okay, you can activate the basic plan. This is for free. Okay, you will have 10 users, 2 remote calls, and up to 20 minutes per call limit. This is limit only because this is the free version, okay? So when you have UCM63, you already have Remote Connect, and you can use it to let your clients know about this benefit, and maybe in the future they can start growing to Soho, Plus, Pro, Business, and Enterprise. The difference between plans is, of course, the remote users, the remote calls. Like from 20 users, only 4 of them can be talking at the same time or receiving calls, at the same time. Then we have the cloud storage that starts at 1, 2, 5, and 10 gigabit cloud storage. But we have packages, add-ons, so you can continue growing on the cloud storage. You can continue growing on the users, on the remote calls. We have all these add-ons, but we just have this 5 to start with, right? And well, this is pretty much the part of the plans. You can also add custom logos and label domain on the business and enterprise plan, and you can buy it for the pro if you want. Okay. Okay, this slide doesn't go right there, but this one does. I'm gonna go back right here in a minute. So I want to take this time to move in on the GCC series. This is the Grandstream all-in-one networking and UC device line. It combines UCM, PBX, Wi-Fi, firewall, and router all in one device. This is a great fit for small offices, remote branches, or even home offices where simplified cost efficiency and remote connectivity are crucial. The GCC series excels in, I forgot the words, but I'm sorry, but it's just one device and you can replace your local PBX, your Wi-Fi access point, network firewall, router and net. It's like having an entire communication network in one single box. So you are seeing right here 3 boxes, right? But these 3 are these 4 in 1. So these 3 units are IPPBX. They have next generation firewall. They have VPN router. And then you have 2 options. This right here are a network switch. That's why you can, they look like a switch, but they're also all these 3 too. Or you can have the Wi-Fi access point, which is this one right here. Okay. Well, I cannot say cost right here because I think we're gonna publish. We're gonna use this for the YouTube channel. So I'm gonna leave my information at the end so you can contact me to get more information about the items that we are talking. So to wrap up, UCM63 is a powerful on-premise PBX for unified communication. Remote Connect makes remote access effortless and secure. And GCC series gives you an all-in-one UCM networking solution. And way up ties everything together for true mobility and collaboration. Let's not forget that Grandstreams also have the part of the networking side. Okay, we have a huge portfolio. We're gonna start doing these webinars more often. We're trying to keep them small so we can show you all the solutions because we are not only PBX. We have IP phones. This is for a hotel, for example. We have video phones, wireless, Wi-Fi or deck-based. We have business conferencing, door phones, intercoms, control stations, gateways, ATAs, all managed by GDMS, which is the device management. Okay. And well, this is what I wanted to share with you. We also have the networking part. I forgot to put it in this presentation, but we also have switches, access points, routers. I mean, besides the all-in-one, we already have these items like separately in the brand. So, well, this is all from my side. I don't know if anybody has a doubt, comment. I'm here to hear you. And if not, I would like to thank you all for your time. And I hope everybody has a great day.